Hey everyone, welcome aboard. So one of the nice things about owning a Tesla Model X is the windshield. It's expansive, you can see the sky. It gives you a sensation that you're almost driving without a roof on the vehicle. And when you're not driving into direct sunlight, it's amazing. You just have a sensation that can't be duplicated in most cars. The problem is when you're driving into direct sunlight and in hot weather, this windshield becomes more of a liability than anything. The sun just gets in your face, especially when you're driving right into the sun. And it's gotten so bad where we have even tinted the glass to kind of reduce the heat coming in to the vehicle. And in fact, this is on top of the factory provided tint already. But sometimes that's still not enough if the sun is intense enough. I mean, I'm sitting here in the afternoon, the sun's not too blindingly bright because of the tree, but it's still an annoyance. And you could use the sun visors, but they're definitely not designed to be like a full, complete coverage. You can angle them so that they're partially covering, the area where the sun is. That's still not a perfect solution because you constantly have to keep angling the shade wherever the sun is as it moves through the sky. So the good thing is there are aftermarket products that you can buy to kind of alleviate this issue. And Jowua just happens to have one of those products. This is the Jowua Glass Roof Sunshade kit for the Model X. And so let's do an unboxing and see what Jowua provides in this kit. I mean, just off the bat, the packaging is pretty nice. Everything fits in this set right here. And so let's see what you get when you actually open this up. All right, so the first thing is the actual sunshade itself. You'll notice that the portion of the sunshade that's facing to the exterior is made out of this reflective material, and the inside is this dark material. So let's install this now and see how long this takes. All right, so I've expanded out the sunshade. So let's actually install it into the area above the windshield. All right, so you can see that it completely covers the upper part of the windshield. Almost makes you feel like you're in a vehicle that doesn't have this expanded windshield, more of a conventional SUV. So if that's what you're looking for, this will definitely provide it. I understand the criticism. Some people say that, you get a Model X because you want that expansive windshield, so why would you cover it up? But if you have young kids or you are trying to sleep in your vehicle and you're just trying to get through a road trip, those luxuries and niceties just go out the window. You just want to have comfort. This is a nice feature. And you can always return to having your expansive windshield by removing it. So it's not a permanent fixture in your vehicle. It's just something that you can add as necessary. And you can always just store it when you're not using it in the front or in the trunk. So let's see what else comes with this kit. Kit also includes a pry tool, as well as a set of clip. Okay, so we're about to put the clip into the trim here next to the windshield to secure the shade in place. It does include pry tool if you'd like to use it, but in my experience, I can just do this with my hand. All right, so first clip is in just by sliding it in there. You're supposed to put 2 on each side, so let's get a second clip. I'm gonna put that right over here. All right, so we've affixed the shade with the 4 clips that were included. There's one there, one there, one there, and one there. So essentially 2 on the driver's side and 2 on the passenger side. But the kit also includes shades for the windows in the Falcon Wing doors. So let's install those now. So just like the windshield shade, these are foldable, and the outside version is made out of this reflective material. The inside is dark. And so let's unfold both of these now. All right, it even says, which side goes up in case you forget. So you know that the reflective side is facing outside and the black side is facing inside. So let's install that. All right, so that's the rear passenger side. You'll note that because of the cavernous construction of the Falcon Wing window on the top, you don't need to have any clips to fix it in place. It does that automatically just based on the design of the window. So let's install the other side as well. So again, reflective side is facing out and you want the black side inside. So all right, it's installed in seconds. All right, so I'm sitting back here with all of the window shades installed. So you've got the windshield shade up front, and then you also have the shades in the Falcon Wing doors on each side. And the sensation is that the car has like a normal roof. And I get it, if you bought a Model X, one of the features that probably drew you to a Model X is having that expansive windshield and having the Falcon Wing doors, is including the windows. But sometimes when you have a sleeping child, when you yourself want to just take a break and you're driving into the sun, you just don't want to deal with it, having these removable shades is a pretty inexpensive way to make your drive more enjoyable. And these aren't permanent. You can easily just remove them in seconds and stow them away in this fancy carrying case that Jowua provides. And they also advertise that the shades provide a 3 times heat rejection over other sunshades that are on the market. So just keep that in mind. If you're interested in adding some of these to your own Model X, we have links in the description below, and you can get a percentage off of your purchase. And so if you enjoyed this review, really appreciate you taking the time to watch it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.